This is Redfeather from Grephax. In this technology video, we will be showing you some spring cleaning we were doing. Before diving right into any tech spring cleaning projects you may have in mind, make sure you're aware of all grounding and discharging procedures. Also, brushing up on how your system or device is properly disassembled and reassembled. These Dell Vostro machines take a beating and get back up to perform over and over again. We ride them hard, day in and day out. But like anything else, this Dell Vostro 3750 has to breathe, especially after traveling from office to home office and around. But this can be quickly fixed with a can of clean, safe dust remover. And notice, it is moisture free. So ride 'em like a Dell Pro, clean, safe, moisture free as the dust is blown away. Thanks to Artofruin for providing the photos for this video. And I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it useful in some fashion. If you did, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? I mean, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.